Mami, turuan mo naman. Ikaw, porket 13 points ka lang. Don't shoot dad, ah, okay? If you shoot dad, we'll go home na. I'm blocking my pitoy. Oh! No. That's real shot. No practice here. You gotta protect your pitoy. You gotta protect your butt. You better not hit your butt. You should. Arrow, there's no arrow here.
Let's get out of here. Now let's get out of here.
Wait, I have to video her. Wait, I need my slippers. It's hot. The grass is hot. No, I'll go. I'll go in the shade.
Please, no, not me, not me.
Why you're running away? Huh? Ibanas not listening to mom.
I'm good at it. What?
Yeah, ha, ha, ha. Want dad to teach you next time, Baba? No, it's because it's archery, it's hard. Okay. Here, come here. First pinch. Pinch. No, not like that. Pinch this side. Really hard, right? Okay. Now hold this like that. Like that.
Wala kayo sa gitna. Dito.
Okay, let's go.
Yay!
No, it's a half.
So I'll give you 7 points. 7 points, right, mommy?
Yeah, good job, Baba.
My turn.
Oh. Oh, Baba, get down.
Ow!
Mama, mami, mami, create a new video.
Ha?
Create a new